I created this tag when we were at 960 subscribers, so the introduction and conclusion is going to be like that. And I am really happy that we have achieved the first milestone of YouTube. And if you haven't checked out the 1K special giveaway, then do check it out with the link in description. And do try to do this tag because it's such a great feeling reviewing all your 6 months of reading. Hello everyone, this is Anjali, and today I'm so happy because we hit 960 subscribers on YouTube, and I have so many mixed feelings and so many butterflies in my stomach for the first milestone of YouTube. And it's July, so it's time for mid-year freakout tag. I get to know about this tag from Sonali. She is from Melodramatic Bookworm and she is literally a drama queen. You should check out her channel, the link is in description. You guys know that I love tags so much and I cannot miss out on any one of them. And as always, I have written all the questions in my diary. So let's just begin. The first question is best books you have read so far in 2020. There are so many books that I have read in 2020 and I would count them as best. The list is like this: The Search That Seeks You, 5 AM Club, The Rudest Book Ever, Stories of Us, Same But Different, Music to Flame Release, and the list goes on and on. I seriously can't remember all the books right now, but yes, there are so many books. Second question is new releases that you haven't read but you want to. There is only one book that has been released and I so want to read it, which is Death by Sadhguru. I just want to read that book as soon as possible. Gift me, please. The third is biggest disappointment. I don't think, like, I have read books, but they were not disappointments. Yes, but there are books from which I had a lot of expectations and they didn't fulfill it. The books are Beyond the Credence and Faith and the Beloved. Fourth is biggest surprise. Corona pandemic. Biggest surprise would be the rudest book ever from Men Sutra. And second is all the caffeinated conversation boxes. I just love the unboxing and I am dying to do the unboxing, but because of this pandemic I cannot do it. Fifth, favorite new author, debut or an author who is new to you. Sanghamitra Amudha. She is the author of The Search That Seeks You. I just loved her writing style. Second is the author of Rudest Book Ever. Third is Music to Flame Lilies, Megha Rao. And there are so many. Apurva Purohit from Lady You Are the Boss, and Pankaj Giri from The Fragile Thread of Hope, and there are so many authors. Sixth is newest favorite character. Newest favorite character is from Music to Flame Lilies, which is Kalki. I like that character so much. Maybe he was portrayed as someone who is really charismatic, so maybe. Seventh is book that made you cry. I didn't cry on any book this year, but yes, I almost cried while reading Music to Flame Lilies. I read that book in just 3 hours. It was so good. Book that made you happy. It has to be The Search That Seeks You. That book really made me feel happy and content. Ninth is favorite review you have written. I don't have any favorite review, but yes, some reviews that I have given so much time and dedication were Same But Different and Thoughts Become Things. 10th question is most beautiful book you have bought so far this year or received. No Limits by Writer's Melon. I received that book a few days back and I'm really excited to read that book. 11th, what books do you need to read by the end of this year? There is this one book, The $1 Billion Secret. I have created my last video on that book. This is the book I am trying to read from March. I finally started reading it, but now it has so many action taking steps that I feel like I'm not taking the steps, so why should I continue reading it? I'm not saying that you should take every step that is written in the book, but there are so many things that I like that I felt that I should be doing these things, but right now I'm not able to do all those things. So that is why I have put that book aside, but I need to finish that book because I don't want to drag a book like all year. So I will definitely finish that book in this year. 12th is how much have you read in 2020? Lost the count. completely lost the count, and after I subscribed to Scribd, it's completely lost. 12th is best sequel you have read so far. I haven't read series in this year. I'm only reading standalones. 14, most anticipated release for the second half of the year. This is the book I am waiting to read. Like, I'm just waiting for its launch since the start of this year, which is Think Like a Monk by Jay Shetty. I just want to read this book and I'm waiting for it. I am seriously waiting for the launch. They were going to launch it in April, but due to this pandemic, now they are going to launch it in September. Last question is goals for the rest of the year. No, I just want to complete the book that I have started. That is the goal. So yes, that's it. This was the mid-year freakout tag. Thank you so much, Sonali, for letting me know this tag. And if you guys see any other bookish tag that I haven't done, do let me know about it, because I love doing tags. I just love them so much. I don't have any particular reason why I love them, and I am really excited for the milestone. And thank you so much everyone for this journey. I am enjoying this journey, and do comment what you want me to create for you guys, because if you do, it will help both of us. So please do it, and happy readings. Do tag me if you do this tag here or on Instagram, and I see you guys next time.